You're not lacking intelligence. You're not lazy. You have probably been the one person people come to when things need to make sense. But data has become the new language of professional authority. And right now, you're fluent in the work, but not yet in the numbers that prove its value. That's the gap, not your capabilities. The gap is the language. And here's the truth most people do not say out loud. Most professionals were never given a structured way to turn raw data into decisions. Most people learned to manage, to lead, to deliver. Nobody handed them a clear framework for reading data with confidence and using it to guide their actions. So if you have been feeling left behind, it's not because you've missed something in yourself, because the system did not give you this yet. Stay with me, because this is the part that changes things. That is why J.K. Michael's analytical training exists. Not to turn you into a programmer, not to overwhelm you with theory, but to give you the practical tools, structured frameworks, and professional credibility to read raw data clearly, tell its story confidently, and use it to make better decisions, and to be the person others trust to do the same. And you do not need a technical background to begin. You need the right structure. Inside this training, you will learn how to clean, organize data so it actually tells you something. You learn to use tools like Excel, Power BI, SQL at a professional level. Build dashboards that communicate insight, not just numbers. Perform analysis that would help organizations make faster, smarter decisions. And beyond the skills, you would walk into the next meeting and be the one who can look at the data set and say with full confidence what it means and what should happen next. That's a different kind of voice in the meeting. Now, you do not need to be a programmer or a mathematics expert. If you can use a smartphone and think critically, this training meets you where you are. If time is the concern, this program is structured for working professionals. You fit it into your schedule, not the other way around. And if you're wondering whether data analytics skills are valued in your sector, finance, healthcare, government, FMCG, telcos, logistics, every single one of them is hiring people who can interpret data right now. Let's take a look at one of our alumni, Emeka, who worked in a commercial bank for 6 years. He processed reports every week, but always passed the interpretation to another team. He felt like the data was above him, like it belonged to someone else's job title. After completing the J.K. Michael's data analytics program, he built his first Power BI dashboard for his department's quarterly performance data. His manager presented it to the executive team. 3 months later, Emeka was promoted into a business intelligence role, a position that had not even existed in his department the year before. The data was there. Emeka just finally had the language to speak it. Imagine the next time a report lands on your table in the organization, and instead of waiting for someone else to interpret it, you are the one who opens it, reads it, and tells the room exactly what it's saying. Not guessing, not nodding along, knowing. That is what it feels like to finally speak the language your organization is already using. Click the link below this video to learn more about the J.K. Michael's data analytics training and secure your space in the next cohort. Enrollment closes soon, and cohort sizes are limited to keep the learning environment focused and practical. The professional who reads the data, tells the story, and leads the decision. That's who this training builds.